today's video is actually just a random vlog. My friend got bored and decided to pick me up at home. And luckily I'm not busy today, so let's go! Hello beautiful people! Welcome back to my channel! If you wonder who's this beautiful lady with me, her name is Shams and she also have a YouTube channel. And today, she's taking me to one of her favorite Sheesha place, which is the Sheesha Factory Cafe. Since I believe that smoking is dangerous to our health, let me order a milkshake instead. Since it's my first time here, let me give you a little feedback of my experience. I absolutely love this place and amazed by the way we were treated. The decor and outlay of the cafe is spacious and very welcoming. The best part, which we found interesting, is that you can order food from outside. Since they don't have a functioning kitchen yet, it gives you better options while enjoying their ambience. We'll definitely recommend this place to everyone who loves Sheesha and will definitely come back once the food menu is launched. And look at this artwork they've installed on the outer wall of their restroom. Isn't it beautiful? Now, it's time to go home. Oh wait, I'm actually craving for that chicken from heaven. So we decided to drop by Borjuman Mall. Right now we are in the most important highway in the city, which is called the Sheikh Zayed Road. This runs through the heart of Dubai and links many of the main areas and tourist spots. It is a very long highway road with full of skyscrapers and metro stations connected. All the pictures you see and videos you watch about Dubai, everything comes alive when you travel through Sheikh Zayed Road. Driver. Hi, my driver. entering the heart of Business Bay, and directly beneath this bridge is the waterfall of Dubai Canal. On your right is the colorful Habtoor City, collections of 3 different luxury hotel brands. Rebranded in July 2018 to Habtoor Palace, Elixir Hotels and Resorts, V Hotel Curie Collection by Hilton, and Hilton Al Habtoor City, and the 3 high-rise residential towers. Now is a closer look of V Hotel. That's where you can find the #1 water show in Dubai, La Pearl, including aerial acrobatics, death-defying dives, and unbelievable motorcycle tricks. This show will never fail to impress. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe.